This all started when I saw how much trash was going to the landfill and I thought, what a waste. I tried composting my food scraps, but they rotted, so I had to bury them. This worked for a while, but I felt like I was just scratching the surface of something bigger. My search for a solution led me to a natural process that has existed in the forest long before us, turning dead plants into animals into food for new life. It sounds like decomposition, but look deeper, underground, where there is no air, and fungi and bacteria have evolved to survive without oxygen. You see, microorganisms typically use oxygen to create energy in the form of ATP. They break down biomolecules found in dead plants and animals into simpler forms that can be broken down further into energy. However, in oxygen-deprived environments like underground and underwater, some bacteria and fungi create energy through fermentation. Enzymes break down organic matter through glycolysis, breaking down sugars into organic acids and energy. This releases nutrients and creates microbes that contribute to soil fertility. The process was originally adopted by farmers in Korea and Japan who were familiar with fermentation and would bury their food scraps, noticing it would grow their crops more than usual. Eventually, the bacteria acting in this process would be made into a formula. This would allow the fermentation to take place in a more controlled environment like a bin, which we know as Bokashi. By throwing food scraps in with this bacteria in an oxygen-free environment, you are recreating the fermentation that occurs naturally, growing microbes and conserving and releasing all the available nutrients that can return to the soil. However, these microorganisms only eat specific nutrients, so not all the organic matter has been processed. The batch is mixed in with soil where soil microbes finish the breakdown aerobically, while also buffering the organic acids released during fermentation. The final result is humus. It's a nutrient-rich structure full of microscopic life. The stabilized organic matter binds soil together, creating a spongy substance that retains water and holds roots. It is part of the cycle that returns nutrients to the ground. They get absorbed into plants, into animals, and the cycle continues.